Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this interesting stitch pattern. So let's get started. If you wanted to make something like a winter headband, I would gather both of the two ends and bring those together, and then just sew these together and sew a button over the top. Like that. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain in any number in multiples of 3. When your foundation chain is the correct length, you're going to start working in the second stitch from the hook, and you're going to single crochet. And single crochet in every stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. And in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And now I'm going to bring in another color. And I'm going to chain 1. And I'm going to single crochet in that very first stitch, which again is the second stitch from the hook. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Chain 1 and turn. Again, starting in the second stitch from the hook, single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row, so I have 4 rows of single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to bring in my main color, and if you're making a blanket or a placemat, something that's going to have a border around the edge, you can carry your yarn along. If not, well, I guess you'd have to fasten off and weave your yarn end after each row. So I've brought my new color in, and I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And again, I'm going to work in the second stitch from the hook, and I'm going to single crochet in 2 stitches. 1, 2. And I'm going to single crochet down into that very first row of single crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch. I'm going to pick up the yarn, and I'm going to pull it up and then complete my single crochet. And then I'm going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and again I'm going to go down all the way down and make a single crochet in that row. And then I'm going to single crochet in 2. So if you're not sure, you have to leave that stitch below unworked in, because this takes the place of that stitch. So single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. And now I'm going to make another long single crochet. So I'm going to follow that stitch down and make a long single crochet. Like that. So you'll have 2 stitches in between your long single crochets. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work across the row, and then I'll come back and show you the next row. So single crochet in 2, and then a long single crochet. Like that. You have 2 stitches between each of your long single crochet. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, I'm going to pull up my contrasting color I'm going to chain one, and again working in the second stitch from the hook, single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. All the way across the row. Okay, I worked across the row. One more row of single crochet, so chain one and turn. Single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. I'm going to pull in my cream color and turn. Chain one. Single crochet in that first stitch and in the next stitch. And in the next stitch, I'm going to go all the way down here, insert my hook through there, pull up a long single crochet, and complete the single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet in two, 1, 2, and then I'm going to follow this all the way down, insert my hook into that stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it up high, and finish my single crochet. Like that. And you're going to continue that across the row. Single crochet in two, work a long single crochet in that one, single crochet in two, work a long single crochet in that long single crochet, like that. And you'll just keep repeating those 4 rows over and over. So you have 2 rows of single crochet in your dark color, and then a row of single crochet with a long single crochet, and then 1 more row of single crochet to get you back to the other side. And when you end with these 2 rows. And that's how it looks on the back. And that's how it looks on the front. So there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this interesting stitch. And I don't know what I would call it. If I had to give it a name, I might call it a window stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.